Now let's read our online science book. The title is Vibrate and Make Sound. Pluck a guitar string. What happens? The string moves back and forth. When things move quickly back and forth, they vibrate. Things that vibrate make sound. Here we learned two important vocabulary words. The first word is vibrate. It means when things move quickly back and forth. The second vocabulary word is sound. Sound is made when things vibrate. Now let's do our Science in a Snap activity. Step 1. Look at the boy. We're going to do what he's doing. Touch your throat as you talk. Listen to the sound. Step 2. Repeat. This time, talk louder. What do you feel with your fingers? Do you feel your throat moving? It's vibrating. How does it change when you talk louder? First talk soft, then talk louder. Can you hear how not only your voice is louder, but you can feel how your vibrating throat is changing? We have just learned about things that vibrate and make a sound.